Hey my friends, how's everybody doing today? Happy holidays to you. I hope y'all are all staying safe with this coronavirus thing. What a year this has been, huh? My God. The virus issues, everything shutting down, so many people affected, it's unbelievable. I hope that vaccine comes around real soon and we all get back to what we used to call norm. Of course, we know, like all big events in the world and in our lives, the norm has been changed. Won't ever be exactly the same as it was, but hopefully it'll get back to some kind of normal. I truly do. Anyway, gonna be making some Christmas bowls today. Made out of, let me think, what am I using? Gosh, come on, Doug. Oh, bird's eye maple. Yeah, bird's eye maple and resin. They're with some Christmas decor on top of them. I got all the Christmas decor stuff you're going to see from Hobby Lobby in their little crafts department. No sponsorship of any kind. That's just where I get them. They have an awesome selection of little things like that. I also got some resin casting molds for some little other things that I won't tell you too much about because otherwise I'd give the secret away. I am still working on my peacock. That has been coming up on a 3-month endeavor now, or 4 months. I forget exactly. I work on it as I can. I'm staying kind of busy this time of year. I always do. It seems people want to get all their work done at the end of the year before the year is over or while they're taking a lot of time off. I actually do have 4 of them that I'm working on in process. So, we're going to do these little bowls. Hope they come out real nice. I think they will. I'm going to have fun doing it. I know I am. I always will. Hopefully I can knock this one out in a couple of days. Something you could normally do in a day. Well, with resin you can't. You've got to let it cure overnight or even longer and let it set. So it'll probably take a week, but I'll get it done. For y'all, it's going to start right now, guys. So let's get at it. Hey, and I appreciate you, man. I truly do. All right. Hey guys, how we doing? These are 3 chunks of bird's eye maple that I have that I put some chucks on. 1, 2, and 3. I had started turning them, cut them and put the blocks on them a few months ago. I did start scraping on this one and then had to take it off the lathe to work on something else. But we're gonna get started on some Christmas bowls. Alright guys, a little bit of OB juice on the back, real quick. I've got 3 of these I'm doing. I would say to do, but I am a doing. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the back of all 3 at the same time before I start the fronts. The bottom, excuse me. Building up some friction. That heat is what does the trick, and it do get hot. Just like me. Alright, that one's ready for the jaw chucks. I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same process on the other two. Learn to speak, Doug, learn to speak. The other 2. And then we'll get this mounted around, turned around, flipped over, made happy. Okay guys, got to take it out of there and I got 2 more to do. Like that, and then we'll be ready for some resin. Okie dokie guys, I need to make a little snow. Yes, I said snow. Alright guys, here we go. Sloppy looking mess. All ready to get casted. Well, for the sake of a video they are. I gotta do a little bit of cleanup yet on the edges and stuff. But gotta let them dry now. Here we go guys, took them out of the pressure pot. See if I can get y'all a good angle here. Nice and ugly looking right now, huh? But we will change it. Alright. Okay guys, I've got to put all three of them back on the lathe here and take a little bit of the wood off so I can now put them back into the resin, and I'll show you why I'm doing that in just a minute. Okay guys, this one I won't call just in case, because I already know I spilled some on the side of the bowl. This one I'm going to call necessary. Bye. I'll see you later. Here we go guys, we got them out of the pot. Showing kind of dark there, huh? Yeah. Alright. Let's give them a day or two to harden up a little bit, and then we'll get them back on the lathe. Hey guys, hi there. Oh no, hi there. I'm sorry. All right, I'll stop messing. Hey, on the finishing on these bowls, I'm going to be using two different products. For the wood, I'm going to be using what's called Obi Shine Juice. And if you've never seen that, check out Captain Eddie's on YouTube. He does an excellent demonstration and breakdown on it. But it's basically just a 3-part mixture of boiled linseed oil, denatured alcohol, and bullseye shellac, the clear. That's bullseye shellac, denatured alcohol, boiled linseed oil. 3-to-1 mixture on it. Don't mix up too much at a time, otherwise the alcohol starts to evaporate out of it and your mixture gets thrown off. Although, I have a jar. I have a jar that I mixed a week ago, and a little bit of the alcohol's come out of it. And just for the sake of experiment, I'm going to give it a try without adding any more alcohol or making another batch to see what I get. Okay, on the resin, I'm going to polish it up to 12,000 with sanding, wet sanding, and then I'm going to use Hunt's Ultra Shine on it and bring it up. That stuff brings that resin up to a beautiful finish. So, oh, by the way, I've got to mention here, no sponsoring by any of these products, no sponsoring by Captain Eddie's, no sponsoring by Hunt, just something I like to use and wanted to let you all know what I would be using. So let's get at it. Hey guys, I know it's a little noisy in here with the fans and the filters, but I cut a couple of little grooves in the back end of the bowl here. I'm going to burn a couple of marks in it. And before I was doing that, I just wanted to let y'all know, don't ever, ever, ever run your dust collector to try and get rid of the smoke or something while you're burning wood on the lathe. You could get one little ember or spark sucked up in that dust collector that could sit there and smolder for hours or even days and cause the fire big time. So if you're going to do some burning on your lathe, turn your fans on, your filters on, put on your mask. Do not run your dust collector to suck up that smoke, because if it catches a hot ember, it can be problems, like big problems. There we go, guys, a couple of burn stripes. And like I say, see if I can get y'all a view there. Yeah, got the big overhead open. No, it's fuzzy there. And all the fans and filters going, blow that smoke right out of here. There's actually even a smoke detector sitting right above me, and it didn't go off. That's how good those fans work, blowing the dust out of the shop. Okay guys, sorry about that being funny. I gotta stop for a few minutes, but we'll come back and polish it up with the micro mesh sanding here in a minute. Alright guys, let's put the last coat of the Obi Shine juice here. if you see what I mean. I was able to do the resin with the hunts, and look at the clarity here. Let's see if I can show you all this. And that's just by sanding it up to the 12,000 wet sanding. Can you see the little snowflakes floating around? That's the silver glitter. See? I think the one with the burn lines gave it a, I don't know, elegant wouldn't be the right word, distinct look. Okay? And then the frosty bowls here. And again, I've got the snowflakes floating around in that, done with the glitter. All bird's eye maple, OB shine juice on the wood, and Hunt's plastic polish on the plastic. Okay, so got a few other things going on. As most of y'all know, I'm working on a butterfly, not a butterfly, I finished that already. A peacock. Peacock with all them feathers flying around. 27 feathers is what a peacock has, in case you don't know that. Well, 27 fans. And I think each fan, depending on the growth, can get up to 3 to 6 feathers in each growth. You learn a lot about peacocks when you're building one. And I'm working on a ring turning bowl at the moment. I'm also got some pressure pot issues that I'm trying to resolve. I need a larger flat area where I can take something 2 inches deep, 16 by 15 inches, 14 by 15 inches, and put it in the pressure chamber. You don't have to. You can do it in the layers, or pour it all at once and go with the old torch and try and work all the bubbles out. But I'd like to have the ability to put certain things in a pressure pot. So I'm working on a video for that. For all the new subscribers, there's been a few lately. Men, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am honored. I am sincerely honored to all of y'all. I'm just amazed how many people like to watch. Let me see if I can answer a few questions I was asked. You might have heard the story on my candle and wine video where I told where I got kicked by a dead horse a while back. And a couple of people asked me where the horse kicked me. Well, he knocked me right here in the head. Okay? And that was about 30 years ago. So I don't have much of a scar left, look. But if you look real close, you can tell my eyebrows aren't level. That's because of the horse kicking me in the head. And like I said, he was dead. If you want to hear that whole story, it's on the candle and wine video. Yeah, that's where it's at. Also recently got some Festool suction clamps that I set up, and I've used them on the peacock, and they have been awesome. Awesome. Love those tools, really do. And what else is going on with me? Work is very, very busy this time of year. We've got a lot of work going on. I remodel interior office buildings is what I do for a living. For some of y'all that asked in the shop video, that's why you see so many ladders and wheelbarrows and demolition tools and scaffolding and that type of stuff around in the first part of the shop. And that room full of tools and all the toolboxes, they're all used for the jobs. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I've got to get back to the videos. Y'all have fun, and if you don't see me before Christmas, and I hope you will, if everything goes right, I know you will, okay? Because I always be back. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed holiday. Please, enjoy yourself, be safe. Let's get through with this coronavirus thing. Alrighty? Thank you now. Bye-bye.